Today is November 1st, and I'm participating in No Shave November. To be a little bit honest, I don't know what No Shave November is. Siri, what is No Shave November?
No Shave November is an annual campaign occurring throughout the month of November in which participants forego shaving in order to raise cancer awareness.
Well, shame on me, I didn't know that. This is gonna be a fun journey. I'm gonna show you guys each day and every week of the journey. So I shaved yesterday, and in the spirit of No Shave November, I wanted to make sure that I shaved in October. Now, I could have left my beard length the way it was, but I figured it'd be better for you guys to see my beard go from nothing to something. I'll see you at the end of this week. Week 1 is in the books. I noticed about 4 days into week 1, I started to get some irritation on my beard, mainly on my cheeks and some spots underneath my chin. Typically that's just when the hair grows out and it starts to go back into your face, and I just get that little itch. I try not to scratch or do anything too crazy with it to alleviate the irritation, but I've noticed the last 2 days after, I really noticed it, maybe 3 days after, it kind of went away. I'll see you in week 2. So I'm into the second week, and I've noticed the itching has subsided a little bit, but I cannot help but notice I'm actually starting to get real grizzly looking. I'm at that stage where it looks like I need to be manicuring or trimming my beard, but in the sake of No Shave November, I've got to stick this through. But third week, we'll see how that goes. I'll let you guys know. It's Black Friday, and we're 3 weeks in to this beard. I have 1 week left before I have to make my final decision on what I want to do with this beard. That's the real question. I mean, what do you guys think I should do? Should I shave it back down to nothing? Should I shave it down to stubble and line it? Or should I continue to grow this mass? Well, it's not really that massive, but it's getting there. I guess we're gonna have to find out what happens. So far as the progress report, as far as how it feels or anything like that, all of the itching and slight irritation that I was having in between weeks 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 pretty much is gone. Now I'm left with this. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in week 4. See ya. It's December 1st, everyone, but yeah, I still have the beard. I know it's not groomed, it's not cut, it's not anything. It's still what it is. I've got to make an appointment with the barber, so I'm gonna do this on December 4th. So December 4th, I'm gonna make a decision. Let me know in the comments, like, what should I do with this? Should I cut it off? Should I just trim it? Should I fade it? What? I don't know. Let me know. It's gonna be a game time decision December 4th. So today's the 1st. On Monday, I'll be getting it trimmed. Well, I guess that's December 3rd. So yeah, on the 3rd, I'll be getting it trimmed. So I'll see you on the 3rd. December 3rd, guys, and you know what time it is. It's time to get rid of this. Well, I shouldn't say that. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm headed over to Supreme Shave. Gotta show my man Nate some love. We went to barber college together, and he's working in the shop in downtown of the city that I work in. And yeah, but I'll see you guys at Supreme Shave. I don't know what's gonna happen to this. I don't know. But something needs to happen, obviously. Look at me, man. I'm looking wild. Man, Nate.
Don't bring it. Oh, damn.
Ah, look at you. What's going on?
Oh, that's man.
All right.
What's his name?
So Nate, do you know what's about to go down?
No, you finna tell me when I get you strapped up.
I'm gonna let you do whatever you want with it. So
Okay.
it's up to you to make me look good, and they're watching. So
That's cool.
if you foul ball this one,
I got you.
you're gonna be out the game.
Say no more, fam.
So I'm giving him full creative expression on this cut. So this is his interpretation of what my beard should look like. I didn't give him any input. I didn't cloud his mind or his judgment. He's doing what he deems fit. We're gonna see how good his beard game is. Wait, Nate, time out. We got a problem.
What's up, bro?
Is that what I think it is?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Wait, show the viewers. What are you using?
What's Fat Master Blade?
Y'all remember my latest haircut tutorial? I knew he was using Fat Master just by the sound of it. I knew exactly what it was by the sound. I'm telling y'all better get your hands on the Fat Master blade. This thing is no joke. Look at this thing. Y'all hear the sound of that? Listen to that. Like a samurai sword. Yeah, see, Nate's nervous over here. I told him, don't worry, just relax. It's just you, me, and my little camera. See, that's what you gotta tell the ladies, though. Like, don't worry, nobody's watching. Nobody's gonna see this. Yo, I'm letting y'all know this is some game. Yo, for all you YouTube barbers, you trying to do haircut tutorials, have your clients hold the camera. For real, have the clients hold the camera. You get better angles. You get them nice close-ups. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to compromise. No, I'm being dead serious. One of my latest Instagram videos, I had my client holding the camera, my phone camera, and helping me record the Instagram video. And one of my boys hit me up in the DM. He's like, "Is your client holding the camera?" Because the angles is just. I was like, dude, you peeped that?
You grab it.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you. See, my man, he just he just said something. He made a note to say, fresh razor.
Fresh razor.
Every time, look, I'm trying to tell you, clients, if you're watching, make sure your barber's putting fresh razors. I'm telling you, you will be surprised at how many barbers don't.
Man, I know this dude's name.
Yeah, sidebar. I'll be right back. We gotta talk about some people off camera. So, yeah. This is why I like having other people do my beard. I hate doing my beard. I hate this part. I'm not gonna lie, I do feel back. I feel like I'm back now, so the Grizzly Adams look is out. If you all were hoping I would have went back to the baby face look, sorry. Guess who's back? I'm back, 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 back. Yo, I'm back, y'all. You see, my beard is back. I'm back to what I'm more familiar with. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. The Grizzly Adams look. For everyone that's disappointed, look. Look guys, I get it. You wanted me to go long and grizzly. Who knows, maybe I will after this. It is getting colder, so who knows, maybe I'll just grow it out again. But look, this feels so good. So that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Share it, like the video, give a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments below on the fresh new look, and you know, if I should have kept the grizzly look, which I hope no one wants me to do that, or if I should have just kept it and just lined it. I don't know. Browse the channel. I have plenty of great barbering content. I'll see you in the next vlog. It's been your man, I do it, signing out. I'll holla.